Hey guys, again welcome back to my channel Exact City. Hope you all are fine and safe at your home and preparing for your IELTS test, right? You have enough time due to this lockdown period and all. Most of the exams got cancelled and some of them already confirmed with the test date after this lockdown period and all. I know that you are eagerly waiting to see whether they will resume the test from 5th of June or not. So according to that only you need to start up with your preparations, right? Because in most of the places the lockdown got extended till 10th June and in some places 9th June. So we don't know whether they will conduct the test from 5th June or not. If everything is going good, definitely they will resume the test from 5th June. Okay, so the first test will be on 5th June and second will be on 12th June. Then a third will be on 17th June. We already updated the prediction for these three test dates, including the task 2 topics. So you can check it out if you are planning to give your exams in these days means. Okay, so today we are going to see the prediction for 19th June. In that test date also, it's a global test date and academic and general module will be there from British Council and also from IDP. So today we are going to see this LRW section in detail regarding this question type, then the level of the test, about the essay topics and all. So I will prepare one another video as usual for task 2 topic, which all are the sample questions. That's just for your preparation purpose. I will update some sample questions under each topic so you can prepare with that. Definitely that will help you out in your real exams. So now we will start out with our listening module first. So listening module will be same for academic and general module, you know that. So we have 4 parts. In part 1 and part 2 will be related to social topic and part 3 and 4 related to academic topic. So as usual in part 1 you can expect a telephonic conversation between two speakers and the question type will be fill up type of question that will ask you in different form, a form completion, not completion, or a table completion, or a diagram completion, flowchart completion. So this time you can expect as usual form completion. Okay, that also up to you, 2 words and or a number. You can use words along with a number or words only. Okay, so according to the instruction try to fill up the form. So this part will be an easy one. Moving on to part 2. So this time you can expect a talk from a guide and your question type will be map completion. Either they will give the options in a box and you want to just write the options A, B, C, D like that, or else you need to fill up the options directly, fill up the answers directly. Okay, so map completion you can expect. Along with that, MCQs or selection of letter type question. MCQs means multiple choice question along with 3 options, or else they will ask selection of letters. That means they will give one question along with 5 to 6 options. You need to select 2 or 3 according to their instructions. So these 2 category you can expect along with map completion. Okay, so this part will be an easy one again. Moving on to part 3, that will be an academic discussion between 3 to 4 students or along with their professor. So this time you can expect large MCQs in this part. So try to concentrate more because the questions will be a little bit lengthy. So try to utilize the time in between. You will get half a minute to read out the question and half a minute to look after your answer. So you will get 1 minute of time in between. So try to utilize that time properly. Try to read and predict what type of audio you will get. Okay, so along with that, match the information type of question. That means they will give the options in a box and according to the question you want to select or you want to cross the proper option or proper answer. So like that, match the information type question also. This part will be somewhat in moderate level because the audio will be little bit fast. So while practicing also you can adjust the background speed and all in YouTube video. So try to do that. Then it will be easy for you if you are getting the fast audios also. Then moving on to part 4, you will get an academic lecture. That means a monologue. Okay, this time you can expect fill up type of question again. That will be a summary completion or a not completion. That also one word only fill ups. So you want to concentrate on that particular word only. So that will be more easy for you. Students always love this fill up type of question because you can able to grab maximum score in this type of question. So try to concentrate more on part 1, 2 and part 4. Try to score maximum in these 3 sections. because if you lose some of the answers in case of part 3 because of the fast audio also, you can able to maintain band 7 and above if you are attaining the remaining questions, means if you are getting the correct answers means. So try to practice like that. So overall we can set it as easy only or easy to moderate only based on this part 3. I am telling easy to moderate. So if you are practicing well means definitely it will be easy for you. Now we'll see regarding the reading module. First about the academic reading. You know that you will get 1 hour of time and you need to complete 40 questions. So you have just 1.5 minutes to spend on each question and 20 minutes for each passage. So if you find any passage as easy one means try to complete within 10 to 15 minutes. So you will get additional 5 minutes of time for the difficult passage, because we can't able to say it as they will maintain the mode of difficulty. Sometimes the first passage will be the most difficult one. So if you find any passage as difficult one means try to skip it out. You can come back after completing the remaining passages. Okay, then you will also be so relaxed at that time because you completed all the remaining passages. So you can sit, relax and check out your answers. So try to do like that. In passage 1, you can expect fill up type of question that will be in the form of a short not completion, that also one word only. Along with that, true, false, not given type of question to you. So try to write it in a complete way. Don't write T, F, N, G and all, because while practicing in home, you will do like that. Okay, so don't write like that in the real exam. Try to write it in a complete way. Then moving on to passage 2, you can expect match the information type of question that will ask you in the form of list of heading or which paragraph contain these information. Okay, so these match the information type of question means try to read out the question first. Try to read and understand the heading, what's the meaning of heading and all. So you can write or translate in your language also. Okay, then it will be better for you to understand what's the meaning of that. Then after understanding the list, you can move on with the passage. Then you can just give each heading for each paragraph and move on. If you are reading the complete passage and reading the question means it will create more confusion. Okay, so try to read out the question first in case of match the information type of question. Along with that, MCQs and also yes, no, not given type of question you can expect. Then moving on to passage 3, you can expect the question again in the form of match the information. So this time they will give the options and you can cross it. Then after that, fill up type of question again, that will be a short not completion. And also you can expect short answer questions. Short answer question in the sense you will get a direct question and they will give the instructions like no more than 3 words. So you can use up to 3 words. So that's regarding part 3. So overall, we can set it as easy to moderate. The passage 1 will be the easiest one, and moving on to passage 2, it will be little bit tricky, and passage 3 also easy to moderate. So overall, we can set it as easy to moderate. That's completely based on your capability. If you are practicing well means definitely it will be easy for you. So try to do at least 2 sets of reading in a regular basis. So try to go through the Cambridge textbook first. You get enough material from Cambridge. So try to do that first. You will get the same format in the real exam also. So try to go through the Cambridge textbook first. Then you can use other materials too, which all are available in the market. Now we'll see regarding the general module reading. So in section 1, you know that in general module, in first 2 section, you will get short passages and one long passage will be there in section 3. That means last section. Same like the academic, long passage you will get. So in section 1, you can expect short answer questions. They will give the instruction regarding the word limit. So according to that, you want to write the answer. So you can expect short answer question in part 1. Along with that, match the information type of question. So this time they will ask which paragraph contain these information. They will give one list of information and you want to select which paragraph. That means your long passage will be divided into short passages and you want to select which paragraph contain these information. The section 1 will be in moderate level. Moving on to section 2, you can expect fill up type of question that will be in the form of a short not completion and also true false not given type of question. So as I mentioned above, try to write it in a complete way. So this section 2 will be an easy one. Moving on to section 3, You can expect match the information type of question again. So they will give the options in a box and you can cross it out. Along with that, you can expect fill up type of question that will be in the form of a short summary completion, that also up to 2 words. Along with that, you can expect yes, no, not given type of question to you. Okay, so that's regarding section 3. This section also will be an easy one. So overall, in general module, we can set it as easy to moderate again. So again, try to practice well, try to go through different materials. Now we'll see regarding the writing section. So if you want any type of tutorial videos about this writing section, means we already created one playlist for that, and in the coming days you can expect more writing sections. We are going to start the writing sections in a regular basis, so try to stay tuned for that. So now we'll see regarding the task 1 for academic first. You can expect the questions in the form of line chart, bar chart, table and also map. In case of map, you can expect a diachronic map. You will get the map of same place at a different time. So to use different tense in case of that. So according to the year only, you need to use the tense. So try to check out with the year and try to use the tense accordingly. So in case of task 1, you will get the mark based on the cohesive devices which you use. Try to make proper comparison. In the question itself, they will mention that you need to compare the data. You need to report the relevant ideas. So try to do that and try to maintain proper structure too. Okay, moving on to the task 1 of general. You can expect a formal letter this time in 19th June. So you should know how to open up the letter, how to enter up the letter. And in the formal letter means you need to use the formal cohesive devices and formal language. You can't able to use any contractions or short forms and the phrasal verbs, and also try to use proper vocabulary, proper connectors. Try to divide your body paragraph based on the bulletin points. Okay, your expression should be in a formal way. Moving on to task 2. First we'll see regarding the academic task 2. This time you can expect opinion type essay that will ask you in any form. That means, do you agree or disagree? That is one-sided opinion essay. Or to what extent do you agree or disagree? That is balanced opinion type essay. So the first question type is opinion type essay. Second one, you can expect problem solution essay. You need to write what are the reasons and try to suggest some solution like that. Then third one is discussion with opinion type essay. That means discuss both views and state your opinion. So according to the updated syllabus, you need to write the third body paragraph. That means you need to explain your own opinion in the third body paragraph. After discussing the both side into different body paragraph, try to write your own opinion with proper explanation in the third body paragraph. Now we'll see regarding this general module. So you can expect opinion type essay or discussion with opinion type essay. Same like I said before, you can expect opinion type of question in any way and also discussion with opinion type essay. So you can expect advantage, disadvantage and state your opinion type question. So that's all about the question type. Now we'll see regarding the essay topics which you want to prepare. I will prepare one another video as I mentioned before with the sample questions under each topic. So I will just give what are the topics you need to concentrate more on. First one, advertisement. Whether the advertisement is targeting children or not, whether advertisement increase the consumerism among the people, then advertisement as a marketing technology. Okay, so anything related to this advertisement, mostly related to this fast food and all. Next one, travel and transportation, anything related to this commuting time. Okay, people are taking more time for this transportation to work and study. So what are the advantage and disadvantage? Then anything related to this traffic congestion or private transportation, public transportation, about railway system, road transportation, air transportation, anything related to this transportation facilities. So the next topic, the third topic is about the society or social issues or world issues. Under that you can expect the questions like traditional and modern lifestyle, about our culture, tradition, history, about the modernization, globalization, then about overpopulation, aging issues, global warming, or anything related to over exploitation of resources. Then about the urban area, rural area, the people are migrating from this rural to the urban area. What are the accommodation problems? What are the housing issues? Then what about the transportation issues, homelessness, cultural diversity, anything you can expect under this world issues. So the next topic is technologies, anything related to this mobile phone, internet, use of computer, then use of computer in education, then influence of these medias in case of children, then about the TV viewing hours of children, anything related to this technology and media you can expect. So next topic is art, music or leisure time activities. Okay, whether the music is a leisure time activity, or what all are the traditional value, or what all are the social importance of music in the society, or anything about the art, whether we need to maintain the art galleries, whether the government want to fund for this maintaining these arts and all, whether the art is needed to include in the extracurricular activity in case of children, anything related to this art. Okay, the next topic is education. Under that you can expect about the traditional classroom program, about these online courses, then about the smart classes using the technologies, then about the extracurricular activity, whether the importance of sports and games and all, then selection of subjects, whether the government want to select the subject for this tertiary level education, that means about the university education and all, then about the free education, whether government want to fund for this education, about the studying abroad, then what all are the benefits of that, about the assessment criteria and all. The last topic is government role in any aspect they can ask about. So try to collect some points under this topic. I will prepare one another video in detail for that. We will discuss more in that section. So that's regarding your 19th June 2021 IELTS prediction. So try to prepare well for your test date. You have enough time for that. So try to go through all the modules, try to collect maximum materials and do it. And in case of speaking section, try to do it in a regular basis and try to record and hear your talk. You can autocorrect what all are the mistakes you made and all. So try to do that and try to maintain proper timing. Go through these cue cards. Okay, we already updated some selected cue cards for June month, so try to do that also. So if you like this video, means don't forget to subscribe our channel. We are going to start writing tutorials, so try to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos. So if you are interested to join for our online classes, means the admission is open now, so you can book your seats. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned.